Today's activity is based on dehydration of our body. Dehydration is when our body loses more fluid than it takes in. Dehydration can be identified by the following symptoms: headache, vomiting, sweating, dark urine, etc. Dehydration can be controlled by drinking plenty of water, staying hydrated, eating foods with high amount of water like fruits and vegetables, avoid our limit drinks with caffeine like coffee, teas and soft drinks and carbonated drinks. Stay in shady or cooler areas, keeping a bottle with our hand to keep our body hydrated.
Good morning all. I am Ibrahim Jan from class 10. I am going to be talking about harmful chemicals present in carbonated drinks and a very good alternative for them. So since it is summer season and most of them are fasting, many people after fasting drink carbonated drinks which are very harmful for our body. Carbonated drink contains artificial sweetness, phosphoric caffeine and artificial sweetness, which is very bad for our health. In future we can also get affected by diabetes. Carbonated drinks gives us high calorie but which is useless for our body. It causes dehydration to our body, which is a main problem in nowadays. So a very good alternative for that is dates. Dates are rich in vitamins, minerals and benefits us with improved digestion, boost health and improve our immune system. They are good natural sweetness and can be used for various recipes such as alternative to sugars. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Ashraf Khan printing the channel. Today I am going to tell about effects of vegetables in our body. A diet rich in vegetables and fruits can be to lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart diseases and stroke, prevent some risks of cancer, lower risk of eye digestive problems and have positive effects upon the blood sugar, which can help to keep our body clean. The positive effects of vegetables: lower blood pressure. Many leafy plants like kale, tomato, etc. can contain potassium. Lower risk of heart diseases can leafy green plants and also contain vitamin K. It keeps the diabetes control.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Mr. Muhammad Alhan from 10th standard. Today I am going to talk about fruits. There are different types of fruit. In that I will tell some points. Apple is a good source of soluble and insoluble fibers. They help to manage blood and sugar. Watermelon is a highly nutritious summer favorite. It is enriched in vitamin A and C and potassium. Mango is known as the king of fruits. They are rich in vitamin A and B. Grape is a healthy, good source of vitamin K and potassium. It is low risk of heart diseases and certain types of cancer. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Daud Ibrahim from 10th standard. Today I am going to talk about how to protect ourselves from dehydration. Our body normally loses water through sweating and urination. If our body loses more fluids, then you become dehydrated. So dehydration can lead to cramping, shock, kidney failure and other serious problems. If you are 65 years old, especially you have an ongoing illness, you have a higher chance of becoming dehydrated. Dehydrated can also caused by high exposure, high fever, vomiting and blood imbalance caused by certain conditions. The following steps to prevent dehydration: drink plenty of water, eat fruits with high amount of water like fruits and vegetables, avoid or limited drinks with caffeine like coffee, tea and soft drinks, stay in shady or AC location, keep your water bottle handy at all the times. Thank you.